Hello everybody, it's Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations. Today we're going to show you some chorizo and eggs. It's a simple dish, but it's very tasty and you'll love it. Stay tuned. Okay, I've got about 1/4 pound of chorizo here, and I've added some oil to my skillet. So we'll go ahead and get that in there. We'll let that start browning. Alright, once our chorizo is browned, we're going to go ahead and remove that from the skillet. So, like so. And we'll reserve this off to the side. Now that we pulled our chorizo, I've got some sweet onion, Spanish onion, I've got some red bell pepper, and some poblano. And I have them cut in strips about the same size. We'll go in with that. Alright, to our mix, we're going to add some kosher salt. Like so. Cracked black pepper. Some chili powder. Oregano. And some cumin. After adding our spices, we'll go ahead and give everything a mix. Get it well incorporated. Okay, I've let everything continue to saute down on about medium-high heat here for about 3 minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cloves of garlic, minced garlic. Like so. Incorporate that. And this is optional. I like heat in mine, so I've got jalapeno here, pickled jalapeno. So I minced up a small one of those. So we'll go ahead and get that all mixed up. Okay, I mixed that up and I let it go for about a minute or so. Now I'm going to add some fire roasted diced tomato, about 7 ounces. So we'll go ahead and get that all mixed in. Alright, after letting that go for about a minute or so, I'm going to go ahead and add my chorizo back in. Get that incorporated. Okay, after getting that incorporated, I like to go in with a tablespoon of butter and get that all melted and mixed in. Getting everything incorporated, I go ahead and move everything to the side and go in with an egg. Start frying that up. Okay, on top of our egg, I go with a little bit of kosher salt, just a little bit. And then also a slice of PepperJack cheese right on top. And then put a lid on and let it finish cooking. Be about a minute or two. Alright, I've had the lid on there to melt the cheese some, so I'll go ahead and take that off. And I've got some tortillas going over here on a comal. So those are nice and warmed up to go with it. Like so. We can go ahead and take this off the heat. And we'll go ahead and plate her up. Look at that. Chorizo and fried egg topped with PepperJack cheese. But there you go. There's our egg and our chorizo Top with PepperJack cheese, some tortilla over our peppers and onion chorizo mixture there. Hope you enjoyed it, and I know you'll love it when you try it. Spicy or not, it's good to go. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time here at Slaughter Food Creations.